Good morning, student. Let us take more questions of matrices. Students, you can see here question number 1. If A equal to 0 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, 0, and I is the identity matrix of order 2, then show that I plus A equal to I minus A cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. This we have to prove, student. Okay. So let us take first LHS. LHS is I plus A. Let us put the value of I and A. I value 1 0 0 1 because it is identity matrix of order 2. Okay, students, plus A value, you can see here it is given 0 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, 0. Okay, we have to add both of them, student. So 1 plus 0 1, 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 minus 10 alpha by 2, 0 plus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, and 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So this is LHS, students, we have solved. Suppose equation number 1. Now RHS, students, you can see here, this is RHS. I minus A cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Let us put the value here. I value 1 0 0 1 minus A value 0 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, 0, and this part will remain as it is, cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Now we have to subtract second matrix from first. So 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2 minus plus, 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 minus 10 alpha by 2, 1 minus 0 1. Student, you can see this matrix contains 10 alpha by 2. So here let us use formula identity of cos alpha and sin alpha. As you know that cos alpha equals to 1 minus 10 square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus 10 square alpha by 2. Sin alpha equals to minus 2 10 alpha by 2 upon 1 plus 10 square alpha by 2. Sin alpha equals to 2 10 alpha by 2 upon 1 minus 10 square alpha by 2. Cos alpha equal to 1 minus 10 square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus 10 square alpha by 2. Okay, students? Understood? We have used here identity of cos alpha and sin alpha in the form of 10 because this matrix contains the element in form of 10. That's why. Okay, students? Now, student, you can see 1 plus 10 square alpha by 2, 1 plus 10 square alpha by 2, 1 plus 10 square alpha by 2, 1 plus 10 square alpha by 2. All elements contain this part. So let us take common. Where we take common? So what is common, student? 1 upon 1 plus 10 square alpha by 2. What left here? 1 minus 10 square alpha by 2 minus 2 10 alpha by 2, 2 10 alpha by 2, 1 minus 10 square alpha by 2. Okay, student? Now we have to multiply first row by first column. 1 multiplied by 1 minus 10 square alpha by 2 or 10 alpha by 2 is multiplied by 2 10 alpha by 2. So 1 into this, 1 minus 10 square alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2 into 2 10 alpha by 2, 2 10 square alpha by 2. Now first row second column, student, 1 multiplied by minus 2 10 alpha by 2. So it will remain as it is, minus 2 10 alpha by 2, or 10 alpha by 2 is multiplied by 1 minus 10 square alpha by 2. So 10 alpha by 2 or 10 this minus 10 cube alpha by 2. Now second row first column, minus 10 alpha by 2 minus plus 10 cube alpha by 2. 1 multiplied by 2 10 alpha by 2 plus 2 10 alpha by 2. Now second to second column, student, minus plus 2 10 square alpha by 2 1 multiplied by this will remain as it is, 1 minus 10 square whole by 2. Okay students, and this part, the common part, will be written as it is. Now simplification students, minus 10 square whole by 2 plus 2 10 square whole by 2 become plus 10 square whole by 2 student. Here both are like terms having different sign. So its answer will be minus 10 alpha by 2 or minus 10 cube alpha by 2 will remain as it is. This side you can see student, minus 10 alpha by 2 and plus 2 10 alpha by 2. So it will become plus 10 alpha by 2 and 10 cube alpha by 2 will remain as it is. 1 as it is, plus 2 10 square whole by 2 minus 10 square whole by 2 plus 10 square whole by 2. Okay student, let us open this matrix. So 1 plus 10 square whole by 2 is multiplied by all elements. So 1 plus 10 square whole by 2 upon 1 plus 10 square whole by 2 minus 10 alpha by 2 is common. What left here? 1 plus 10 square alpha by 2, and this part will come inside now, so it will become 1 plus 10 square whole by 2. So now this part student you can see here 10 alpha by 2 is common. What left inside? 1 plus 10 square whole by 2 upon 1 plus 10 square whole by 2, 1 plus 10 square whole by 2 upon 1 plus 10 square whole by 2. So student, 1 plus 10 square whole by 2 and 1 plus 10 square whole by 2 will be cancelled. So what is the answer here? 1. This side also, these two parts will be cancelled. What left? Minus 10 alpha by 2. This side also, these two will be cancelled, 10 alpha by 2, and this side also, both will be cancelled. Answer 1. So this is your answer student. RHS equals to 1 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, 1. Let us this equation number 2. So this is first equation student. This is second. You can check, both are equal. RHS equal 1 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, 1. Here also 1 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2, 1. So LHS equal to RHS from 1 and 2. Hence proved. Okay student. Now students, let us take one language problem. You can see students, question number 2. There are two families A and B. There are 4 men, 6 women and 2 children in family A, and 2 men, 2 women and 4 children in family B. The recommended daily allowance for calories is for men student 2400, women 1900, okay, for a child 1800, and for protein is man 55 gram, woman 45 gram and child 33 gram. Represent the information by matrix. Calculate the total requirement of calories and protein for each of the 2 families. Okay student, so this is the question student. Okay. Now students, let us form the matrix. First matrix, I have written here F equals to 2 families are there, A and B students. So I have mentioned here A and B. Members in families are man, woman and children. Correct? I have written here man, woman, children. Let us write the number. You can see in family A 4 men, 6 women and 2 children. So I have mentioned here 4 men, 6 women, 2 children. Family B contain 2 men, 2 women and 4 children. So 2 men, 2 women and 4 children, student. Okay. Now second matrix I have denoted here by E. Okay. Student, this is the question of matrix multiplication. Correct? So always remember, write first matrix in the form of rows and arrange the second matrix in the form of column. Okay students, so E equals to, this is for man, woman and child, calories and protein. Okay, correct students. So in first row I have written here calories for man and protein for man. Second, in front of woman I have written calories for one woman and protein for one woman. Here for a child I have written calories for one child and protein for one child. Okay student, correct? You can see I have written man, woman and children in the form of rows here, and their requirement I have written in the form of column, for man, for woman, for child. Okay student, so this you have to remember. Now to get the total requirement for calories and protein, so we have to multiply these two, because this is for one man, so for 4, this is for one man, so for 4 men it will be more. That's why we have to multiply. So requirement of calories and protein equals to F into E. So for multiplication student, you know, first we have to check the order of F. You can see 2 by 3, and order of E equals to, students, 3 rows and 2 columns. So it's order 3 by 2. So you can see the number of columns of F are equals to the number of rows of E, both are equal. So multiplication exists. So order of F equals to, student, 2 into 2. Correct? So F value I have written here and E value. So student, first row multiply by first column, 24, 4 is 96 student, so it will become 9600. 6, 19 is 114. Okay, so 11,400. 2 multiplied by 1800, 3600 student. Now first row second column, 4 multiplied by 55, 220, 6 multiplied by 45, 270, 2 multiplied by 33, 66. Now second row first column, student, 2400 multiplied by 2, 4800, 2 multiplied by 1900, 3800, 4 multiplied by 1800, 7200. Now second row and second column, 2 multiplied by 55, 110, 2 multiplied by 45, 90, plus 90, 4 multiplied by 33, 33, 4 is 132, plus 132. Now when we add this, F equals to 24,600 and 556. In second row, 15,800 and 332. So student, this is for family A and this is for family B. We have taken 2 by 2 student. So this 2 will come here, come this side, and this 2. Correct? So this is the, I have written here A and B, and this is calorie and protein. So for family A, calorie is required 24,600 and protein is required 556 gram. And for B, calories required 15,800 and protein required 332 gram. Okay students? Okay then students, have a nice day.